What's the meaning of bad breath? Bad breath. Bad breath.
Bad breath. Bad breath. Bad breath, also known as halitosis, refers to unpleasant odors that are exhaled during breathing. It is a common condition that affects people of all ages and can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor oral hygiene, gum disease, smoking, certain medications, and medical conditions such as sinus infections or gastrointestinal disorders. A foul odor in the mouth can lead to social embarrassment and may indicate underlying health problems. Prevention of bad breath involves proper dental care, drinking enough water, avoiding tobacco and alcohol, and seeking prompt treatment for any underlying medical conditions.